Students, our today's topic is transformation of sentences, or we will learn how to change one kind of sentence into other kind of sentence. There are four types of sentences. We have learnt about this. First one is assertive or statement. Second is interrogative or questions. Third is imperative or command. And fourth one is exclamatory sentences. Assertive or statement, there are two types of assertive sentences, affirmative or negative. Affirmative means positive. Negative means with not or negative sentences. In interrogative sentences, some questions are asked. In imperative sentences, there may be suggestion, command or request. In exclamatory sentences, we express our sudden feelings like happiness, joy and so. Look at here, now we will learn how to change positive sentence into negative sentence. Affirmative sentences can be changed into negative sentences by adding note or short form of note just after helping verb. Helping verbs are the verbs that help the main verb, such as is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, can, may, will, etc. For example, she is a girl. He has a new dress for the party. Here, she is a girl. Is helping verb is there, then we will place just after helping verb, note will be placed, then it will be negative sentence. She is not a girl. He has a new dress for the party. Has. After has we will put not, or we can say hasn't. He hasn't a new dress for the party, or he has not a new dress for the party. They were planning a picnic. Were. They were not planning a picnic. We will put here not. He will go to school. Will. After will we will place not. Then he will not go to school. Now these are the negative sentences. Similarly, negative sentence can be converted or changed into positive or affirmative by removing not or short form of not. For example, let us take this. She is not a girl. Not a girl. We will remove not from here, then she is a girl. And like that, they were not planning a picnic, we will remove not from here. And they will not go to school, we will remove not, then they will be positive sentences, or we can say affirmatives. In a sentence with an action verb or doing verb as the main verb, like read, dance, go, do, does, did, according to the tense, is introduced before main verb. The word not is used between helping verb, means between this and the main verb. For example, I teach English. This is affirmative or positive sentence. While making negative sentence of this, I teach is the first form. Teach is the main verb and this is first form. If there is first form, then we will introduce do. Here we have introduced do, and then not. Not is used between this and between main verb, not. Then the sentence will be I do not teach English. In next sentence, Ram called Mohan. Here this is the main verb, call is the main verb, and this is past tense or the second form. If the second form is there, then we will use second form of do, means did. Here then sentence will be Ram did, then not between main verb and did. Ram did not call Mohan. In third sentence, he speaks truth. With he we have used here speaks, means S or es. If verb has S or es with it, then we will use does. Then does not. He does not speak. Main verb without s or es we will use now. He does not speak truth. यहाँ does not. Then again we will not use s here, as I told you in tenses. And for more information you can watch my videos about tenses. We need to remove do, does, did and not to make affirmative. From negative sentences to affirmative or to positive sentences, we have to remove these. Means do, does or did and not. We will remove while making affirmative sentences or positive sentences. Now let us come to interrogative sentences. How to change affirmative sentences into interrogative sentences. First, let us learn more about interrogative sentences. Questions with WH words such as what, when, where, why, how or which, etc. Such questions cannot be answered in yes or no. We need to give complete statement or complete answer for these questions. For example, when do you study? We can't say yes or we can't say no. We have to give complete answer. I study in the morning. Where do you live? It is also WH question. Here also we can't use yes or no. Then the answer will be I live in Rohtak or I live in Mumbai, whatever. Questions starting with helping verbs such as is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does, did, etc. can be answered with yes or no. For example, do you study in the morning? Yes, we can answer only yes, or yes I do, or yes I study in the morning. If I ask you question with you, then answer will be in I. Then we will place I in answer. Is he a doctor? Yes, or yes he is, or yes he is a doctor. This will be answer. Now let us see how to transform an assertive sentence into an interrogative sentence. While converting an assertive into an interrogative sentence, WH word with helping verb or helping verb is placed before the subject or and main verb. We can make interrogative or questions in two ways. First one is we will start from helping verb. Let us see that one. I study in the morning. This is answer. While making question, we will change I into you. And study is the first form of the verb. Then we will bring do before subject or before I. Do you. Do you study in the morning? This question in second. Riya came at 11 o'clock. Came in second form. Then did will come before subject. Did Riya come? After that come at 11 o'clock. Third one is he lives in Mumbai. S or yes is there. Then does. Does he live in Mumbai? Fourth one is Kunal is sleeping. Is will come before subject. Is Kunal sleeping? This is the one way, and let us see the second way, means with WH family words. I study in the morning. Look at here, time is given here. Then we will start from when. When, then do helping verb, WH word with helping verb. When do you study? Question mark. In second, let us see with WH word. The answer is Riya came at 11 o'clock. Here also, what is given? Time is given. Then we will start with when. And then did. According to second form, when did Riya come? then only first form will come, because we have used here did. In third, he lives in Mumbai. Place is given here, then we will start from where. Where, then does. Where does. S or ES is there, then we will use does. Where does he live? Now verb without S or ES, because we have used S or ES here. And fourth one is Kunal is sleeping. Then here we will start from here who. Who is sleeping? These are the two ways of making questions. One is from helping verbs. We can start from helping verb. That will be yes or no questions. And other ways, WH words with helping verbs. Then these will be complete answers question. Now let us learn transformation of assertive into imperative. Assertive sentence can be converted into imperative sentence by removing you, or we can say subject, and modal or helping verb. We will remove both you or any subject or modal or helping verb. See the examples. You will help me to find my wallet. Here you, and this is modal or helping verb. We will remove both. Then we will start from here. Imperative sentences start from help, not from helping verb, start from verb, as I told you. Help me to find my wallet. And if there is request, then we will introduce please or kindly. Please help me to find my wallet, or kindly help me to find my wallet. Can you open the window? This is question. Then we will remove this and this. Then start from open. Open the window. And if there is request, please open the window. In this sentence, you should complete your homework. We will remove this and this. We will start from here. Complete your homework. I hope you got this. When we convert imperative into assertive, then we will introduce you, means vice versa. Then we will introduce you or helping verb. For example, complete your work. This is imperative. And while making assertive, then we will introduce you and should. Then should or anything. You should complete your homework. And see this example. Help me to find my wallet. So you can say you will help me, or you are helping me, or anything, whatever you want. Means we have to introduce you and any helping verb or modal. Now let us learn the steps to convert assertive sentences into exclamatory sentences. First, move. Move subject with helping verb or verb at the end. Subject or verb, helping verb will be in starting, and we have to move that at the end of the sentence. Second step is remove, means omit. Remove adverbs like very, greatly, so, extremely, etc. We have to remove these adverbs. Third one is add. We have to add what, if there is article a or an, and how, when there is no article. Let us see the examples. Virat is a great cricketer. Here Virat is subject. This is helping verb. So we have to move these words at the end of the sentence. This is article. So with article sentences, we have to introduce or we have to add what a. Then we will start with what a, then great cricketer, and Virat is, we will move it to end. Virat is, and at the end sign of exclamation. Look at second sentence. He has an important exam. He has, this will go at the end. Article is there, so what an, then important exam, and at the end he has, then sign of exclamation. Raju reads very slowly. Here there is no helping verb, there is only verb, so we will move this also at the end. And very, no article is there, so we will start it from how, and we will remove very. We will remove very. How slowly Raju reads, then sign of exclamation. Seema is a very beautiful girl. Article is there, so we will start from what then beautiful girl, and Seema is, this will move to end. Seema is. Now we have changed all these assertive sentences into exclamatory sentences. Similarly, we will move subject with helping verb or verb from end to starting, and add adverbs like very, greatly, so, etc., and remove what a or how while converting an exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. For example, this is exclamatory sentence and this is assertive sentence. From this to this, then we will remove what, then we will put this in the starting, means we will start from here. Virat is, then a great cricketer. Hope I was clear enough. See you soon.